Samara State Medical University versus Northern East State Medical University. Most of the students make the wrong choice. Watch this video before you should decide for your MBBS in Russia. Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel Global Med Aspirant. In this video, I will be telling you about some universities in Russia so that you can avoid some big mistake. So first of all, I want to clear you all about that the Samara National Research University is not a medical university for the MBBS in Russia. Samara State Medical University is a medical university for MBBS in Russia. There is a quite big difference between them. But I want to tell you about the location, its climate, its fees and the clinical exposure. Location: the Samara State Medical University is located in the crowded area as it has many Indian students, so the quiet exposure is quite good, whereas the Northern State University is located in the rural areas, so the location is quite good, but it has silence and less exposure around the surroundings. Clinical exposure. Samara State Medical University has a better clinical exposure according to the Northern State Medical University, as it has most clinical patients and most of the time the clinics were full, and it has many hospitals and many clinics so that you can go and practice on them, whereas the Northern State Medical University, as it is quite not as good as the Samara, but as it is situated in the rural areas, but it also has a quite good clinical exposure. So which one you should choose, Samara or the North State Medical University? Samara State Medical University fees. The Northern State Medical University has quite less fees compared to the Samara State Medical University, but it's not about the fees, it's about your future, so you should choose it wisely as you are investing in the long term. So as MBBS is a 6-year course, so you should invest wisely. If your budget is tight and you cannot afford to the Samara State Medical University, you can go and prefer Northern State Medical University, as it is also a quite good choice. Climate. Samara has a warm climate and the climate is overall quite good, whereas the Northern State Medical University, as it is situated in the colder side, so the climate goes up to -30 degrees Celsius, which is quite cold for you. But if your budget is tight and you are willing to go to the Northern State Medical University, so you can choose it. Yeah, it can be a better choice, but not as good as Samara State Medical University, as it has best clinical exposure and the climate is quite good, but yeah, it has some high cost of fees. Student lifestyle. Samara State Medical University has most of the Indian students, so the lifestyle of the Samara State Medical University is quite good, well exposure, whereas the Northern State Medical University, the lifestyle is also quite good, but as I told you earlier, it is a quiet area, so many less Indian students were preferred to go there, and yeah, but nowadays it is also quite good exposure as Samara. Finally, honestly, which university should you choose? You should choose Samara State Medical University. Better quality, better education, better city, and better for the MBBS. So you should choose Samara State Medical University rather than Northern State Medical University. But if you don't have your budget for the Samara State Medical University, you can go for many another university which can fit on your budget. So comment below which university you are going to choose, and I will try to guide you. Thank you. And yeah, in previous video, I have discussed about the top 5 universities in Russia, so go and check it out if you are willing to search for the top 5 universities in Russia and going to take admission in it. So best of luck. Bye bye.